How do LOTO shortcuts cause workplace accidents? Imagine working on a machine that suddenly starts up while you're fixing it. That scary moment often happens because someone took a shortcut with lockout, tagout procedures. Lockout tagout is all about controlling hazardous energy during maintenance to keep workers safe. It involves locking or tagging machines so they cannot be turned on accidentally. This safety step is vital in dangerous jobs like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing, where equipment is huge and unpredictable. When workers skip steps in lockout tagout, they create shortcuts that seem harmless but are very risky. For example, not locking out a machine because they think it will only take a minute, or reusing a tag instead of following the full process. These small shortcuts remove critical safety barriers. If the machine is not properly locked out, it can unexpectedly start, releasing stored energy or moving parts. This can cause severe injuries or even death. Statistics show that about 10% of serious industrial accidents are linked to failures in lockout tagout. In high-risk fields, the numbers can be even higher because the equipment is more dangerous and environments are less predictable. For instance, a logger might skip lockout tagout to quickly clear a jammed saw. If the saw reactivates unexpectedly, it can cause life-changing injuries. On a fishing boat, a shortcut during engine repair might lead to sudden engine restart, trapping a worker in moving parts. Storm chasers working on complex vehicles might skip lockout tagout to save time, risking electrocution if power is restored unexpectedly. Shortcuts happen because of pressure to work fast, overconfidence, or lack of proper training. Sometimes, workplace culture downplays safety rules, making workers feel they can skip steps. In dangerous jobs, the temptation to cut corners is strong because time is money and conditions are tough. But ignoring lockout, tagout procedures can turn a routine task into a disaster in seconds. Employers are required by OSHA to train workers thoroughly, conduct regular safety inspections, and enforce strict lockout tagout rules. Still, violations happen and accidents occur. Lockout tagout is the last line of defense against deadly hazards. In high-risk jobs, skipping this step is like ignoring a seatbelt during a storm chase or handling heavy machinery without safety measures. To prevent shortcuts, workplaces need clear training programs, visible safety reminders, and a culture that values safety over speed. Supervisors must lead by example and hold everyone accountable. Workers should feel empowered to stop work if lockout tagout isn't properly followed, no matter how urgent the task. In the end, shortcuts and lockout tagout procedures remove vital protections against dangerous energy releases. In risky jobs like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing, these shortcuts can be the difference between safety and tragedy. Remember, no job is worth risking a life. Lockout tagout is not just a rule, it is a lifeline that keeps workers safe from harm.